Coach, tough night tonight against Bowling Green. Just recap tonight's match against the Falcons.
Yeah, they served as well as we thought they would, and they just have a lot of experience on the court and do a great job protecting the ball, and they minimize their own errors, and that was the kind of glaring difference, is that we weren't minimizing ours, and kind of showed a little bit more of our inexperience for sure, and we're not lining up correctly on the block all the time, little things like that, or it's just a great team game, and we don't have enough yet in the right mindset that they really can do this and be more effective even against a good team like this. I think we served well, but if we could have just kept the offense going on our side with the connections with the attackers and the coverage and that sort of thing, it would have been a little bit of a different game, but it would be really hard for us to beat them on a night like this.
Thanks, Coach. We appreciate it, and we'll see you this weekend.
Yeah, thanks.